I'm going to show you how to get friends. Because I'm alone. Just kidding, I have lots of friends. So let's get started. It takes so long to load. Spiderweb structures help engineers design their bridges. What? Okay, so first you need to look like you want a friend. So let's look like we want a friend. We're desperate. That's how you look like you want a friend. But you need to take all of your clothes off and get a new look. So you want this and no. You want this and these and those. Wait, I know what I'm gonna look like. So we need to get like this look, and then you're gonna wanna be okay, and then no, I don't know what that is, and I'm scared. Oh, nice. So now I look quite like a bumblebee. Now you need to dress like one. So you need these little tiara, and I don't know what else to wear. There, now you're desperate for friends. I'll friend you. They wanted to be my friend. Because you have a spiked collar. I didn't know that, friend. I'm a bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee. See, look, it's already working. He already wanted to be my friend. Oh. Okay, so then you're going to want to go to a party. And you're going to want to say, okay, first, you're going to want to remove some of your friends if you have a lot. I have a lot. Also, I want to see, did you change your look back? No, she didn't, because I hacked / pranked her because we share each other's, passwords, so please do not go sharing passwords now with your friends, because that's against AJ rules. I just know her password on her actual iPad, and that's her AJ account password, so I'm just gonna remove you, so I at least can have one friend. So then you're gonna want to tell someone that you're desperate for a friend, or you're just gonna say, hey, I want a friend. Wait, do you have the back saddle? You have bone claws, though. Can I have them? Wait a minute. What's her name? But I can't see her training when she's not on. Darn it. So you're just going to want to go up to a random person. You're just going to want to say, hi. I'm a bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee. I help. Oh, okay. What if I say I'm a bumblebee cat? I am. What the heck's that? I'm a bumblebee catfish. Wait, what's their trade? No. Sure. Yeah, you got a buddy. Fish. I'm a bumblebee catfish. I'm recording. I'm just gonna let everyone know, so. I'm recording. Wait a minute, do you have the back? And is it on trade? You suck. I want the back saddle. Wait, do you have the back saddle? She does anyway. I'm a bumblebee. Be my friend. You look like me. Oh, bumblebee. Bumblebee buddies. Come on, be my bumblebee buddy. Bumblebee buddy. Look, we're wearing almost like the same thing. We look so alike. Trade me pink butterfly wings. Pink. All that stuff I don't like at all. And you, I already have everything that I want off of your trade list. Including betas. Sorry. I get really weird. I want these snow-covered antlers because I want to look like a reindeer today. I'll trade you this and that and my forest bill. I'm a bumblebee. You're so nice. Just a bumblebee. Wet wings. DJ. Oh, butterfly. Okay, whatever. You. I'll trade you the spike. I want that spike. You moved. You're so magical. The heck is wrong with me? Okay, so this party didn't work out. So, what if there's a horse Sunday party? I'll be my horse bumblebee. I got to turn into a horse bumblebee catfish. So you see how I look like this. That's not a good look. See, this is an ugly look, okay? Oh, so you need to customize yourself to look pretty. I look beautiful. The only thing is, I do not look enough like a bumblebee. I need my crown. I'm a queen honeybee. And, no wings. I'm a queen honeybee. Ooh, someone. I love your den. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna say thanks. I'm a bumblebee catfish. They said they loved my den, so. Oh, this is not my den. Is this my house? This is their den. Oops. I'm gonna go. Now, where are they? I fell out of the world. Why do I always fall out of the world like that? You're my own house. Now I could go back and say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. I'm gonna say I fell out of the world. I fell. I fell out of the world. But being a bee will be, but being a bumblebee catfish. I fixed it. But being a bumblebee catfish, I fixed it. Nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay. Nay, nay, nay. Wolfie. Wolfie. I don't know if that's how she spelled her name. Maybe she spelled it different. Woofy. Did you notice? Yes. But, bumblebee catfish now. But I'm a bumblebee catfish now. Now, the queen. I may lose lots of friends doing this. The queen. Da 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 da. Da da da. Okay, what? Okay, I think she's really confused. Recording. Okay, I need to let her know. A vid. To get friends and how to get friends. Okay. Anywho, what? Is it if you step here enough? What is it? What is it? Where'd she go? Where is she? Oh, she left off the game. Okay, I see Kate. What do you have on trade? You're good, but I don't have anything to trade. Okay. DJ Dog goes in wolf. Star Girl. Why am I friends with her again? I may have just removed why I wanted to make a friend. I'm gonna turn this way. Arctic Wolf, Bumblebee. Oh. How many reindeers? Let me see. I don't want to treat it, that's why. Let me see. I forget. I'm gonna say I forget. I forget. If I do, lol. No, we were really good friends. So anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here, so let me just turn to my normal self. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go back into my normal self. Darn it, I didn't want to be this. I can be this, but then I don't look cool. Look cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna wear this. Okay, when I got the vid. So we might just have a fight. Okay, 1 minute. I have to stop the vid. Vid means video. Okay, bye.